Okay, I'm back and we're gonna do the twin sister. So here I have my canvas, I have my brush, we have the background color without the silicone in it. And I was thinking with the previous one, it was a little, the background color was a little thick. So we're gonna add a little bit of water, that's okay. And that's looking a little bit better. Okay, got that on. And just like the other one, we're going to first do the sides. And make sure the little corners are done. Sometimes we forget those little folded corners. Then when it's dry, you see that there's white peeking through. We don't want that. That's that. Oopsie doopsie. And these are going to go in the giveaway. So for the people that are really liking this, I'm going to do I'm going to make 4 paintings, and I'm going to make 4 necklaces, and then people can choose like I told you yesterday. So that was that. And before we go any further, this is the updated list. Sorry, I already got paint on you, Ronaldin. Sorry, but that's it. This is the updated list. So they're going to be 2 people from February, 2 from March. And I am going to tone down on the giveaway stuff, guys, because the the list of donations is getting really small. But that's okay, I understand, because, you know, you might come across other people you'd like to sponsor also, and believe me, I am okay with that. That is how it goes. But, you know, depending on what I get, you know, that's what I do the giveaways. And it is getting a little smaller, so I'm sure you don't mind me toning down on the giveaway things. Because mostly I pick people that are living in the USA, and the postage, that's the killer. It's not so much the painting as it is the postage. Okay, we're ready with this one. As you can see, nice and smooth. Torched out the little air bubbles. Now we have our little cup. And we're going to do exactly the same that we did before, only this time I think I'll start with the turquoisey color. So we're going to put the turquoise in, maybe a little more. That's that one. This color is really something that grew on me, like in the previous days, because I love that beautiful burnt color. Don't know why I didn't use it that much before, but I'm really liking it now. A little bit of that dark brown. Some of the lighter turquoise again. And a lot of this. Okay, now we're going to stir it again like I did with the previous one. There it is. And we're going to flop it on there. Whoops, I flopped it just too close to the side. But that's okay, only a little bit spilled out. We're going to give it a little bit more paint behind the cup. We're going to pick it up, we're going to tilt it a little, push it up, pull it down. And as you can see, there's all color underneath. But we're going to let it run. And that way, let it run all down. This one's going to be just a little bit different, but that's okay. Let's see what we get when we torch it. Oh, I see here I missed a spot. So I'm holding it up high and letting that warmth come down. And that way the cells sort of grow bigger, I guess. Warming up the rest. This is a perfect twin sister, and I really like what's going on there. That's it. And I'm really going to try and get that on. Nah, I can see it. It's not that interesting. Wait a minute, let me get really close. Nah. I would have liked to get this bit, but that's not going to happen because I can't get it under the camera. Because, you know, you have your tripod, there's only so much room you can put something under. That's why I usually, when I take pictures, I do that on photo paper because I can cut it. Ooh, I see some really pretty cells on the side here. Ooh, yeah, that's better. That is pretty. Okay, now what you want to do is, of course, scrape the bottom. Make sure the drips are all coming off right now and not on the table where you're laying it down to dry. And like I said, I saw a little bit of canvas peeking through. See there, here on the corner. So we're going to make that nice and smooth. And this is it. Maybe a little bit more paint off there. It's going to come down a little bit more. That's it. Makes it just a little bit more interesting. Okay, that was that. Now I'm really going to do some more papers because I'm going to make the same pendants with the giveaway. So, gonna put that one in here. Let us scrape that out. That's it. That's that one. And we're gonna swipe it with the white. So when you wanna, or the Naples yellow, when you wanna swipe, what you do is you take your paper, you put your colors here, and this is your swipe color on the just in front of your other colors, and that way when you come over it like that, I'm sure that's gonna work, but I want to make it a little bit bigger. So I'm going to push it up here and pull it down there. Okay, let's see what we got. Oops, a little bit there. That's what we got, and not that interesting. I'm gonna go for a little bit more interesting in a bit. There it is. I think I'll do a little bit more of that blue because I'm missing the blue. And then putting that on the back, and then a little bit of this drizzle drizzle. Yeah. Okay. Still not enough of that sienna coming through, not for my liking. I would have liked it a little bit more. Oh, that's kind of nice. Got some nice bits where what I can use. That's okay. And now I'm gonna do one with a lot of this color. Yep. Put the blue in. The other blue. That is a lot of color. That is pretty. Yes, this one is really pretty. Really intense too. You're not really getting the real colors though, because this is really, really vibrant. This bit here, that's really pretty. Okay. But I'm going to do a lot of these swipes today because this afternoon I'm gonna buy one of those punches, a heart punch, and I'm gonna be punching a lot of hearts out of these swipes I'm making today, and I'm gonna mount them on a piece of drawing board, and then I'm going to frame them. Okay, let's see what this gives us. Kind of nice, but not really jewelry worthy, but it will be punch worthy, so I'm gonna keep it anyway. I think I'll just spread it a little bit more down here. And I'll have to choose the size for the punch. I'm thinking not too big and not too small. Oops, can't use that anymore. Okay, that's kind of pretty. Okay, this is really the last one because I have to make room for all these squish squashes. So let's put some in the cup. A little bit of that. A lot of that. And maybe this one. And this one. That's it. Take everything off the table. Easy for the cleanup. That might be really pretty. I think that is going to be pretty. Oh yeah, really micro, little tiny cells. That is really pretty. See how tiny they are? Let me get you really close. See how pretty, tiny? Okay, I'll try and make a picture of this one. If it works, there'll be a link under the video where you can go to and you can download a print. There are a lot of prints on there for people that have never been there. You can use them all, choose them all, print them all. The only thing I ask, don't sell them because they're my property, and I wouldn't like people selling my work as their own. That's something I don't like. So I'll make sure I'll get you something really pretty to print out today, okay? Love you all to pieces, lieve euch alle, hou voor jullie allemaal, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.